we are racing. We got a new Hot Wheels racetrack. It's a 4-lane elimination race. Alright, and there's Dylan who's gonna help us out.
Yep.
Levi, are you ready to race?
Yeah.
What you do? Alright. Is you line up the cars on here. And then you pull this lever right here and it lets the cars go. And as the cars are going down, they hit this. These will lift up. Some of them will fly off. Some of them will stay on the track. And it will eliminate 2 cars. And then it gets down here and then probably will eliminate another car.
Or sometimes 2 cars at the same time.
And whichever car makes it through here is the winner. Alright, you guys ready to race?
Yes. I'm going to the
First, we have, what color is that?
There is a red car that looks like a Audi.
We have a red car, a blue car, a yellow car,
This one's Mustang.
A white Porsche.
and a white car.
Okay, ready to launch them?
Oh, they flew off. Ready, set, go. Whoa, which one won?
This one. This one came second. I did not know how this one. Let's
Ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go!
Nobody made it.
They both hit this at the same time, so they flew off.
Nobody made it. Nobody won.
That means
Oh.
we're gonna have a rematch. It's only
Try it
2 cars.
again.
It's only 2 cars on each other. Ready, stop, please.
Ready, set, go!
Ooh, this one made it. The brand new
Go.
car.
Ooh.
So you can see some got stuck on the track.
Yep, they got stuck. We're racing all the yellow cars.
Ready, set, go!
Go. Oh, they all flipped off. Nobody made it.
Now we're gonna do all the cars.
All the blue cars.